Lights on the car corner pace truck are out. Bradley Lounsbury going to set the pace. We're green flagging this time around. Pace car ducks out. Green flagging. We're racing. Yeah, it's a Lounsbury and Cooter into turn one. Lounsbury and Cooter Jr. Here we go. Lounsbury losing the lead to Cooter Jr. Here comes Dale. Whoa, here are the brakes and the tires squealing. And it's going to be Dallas Conniff to go outside. Back to the inside of Bradley Lounsbury. Justin Tyler in the 2 car. Good looking Monte Carlo, by the way. Of course, it's done by Frisch Signs. It's the only way he does it. Excellent vinyl company here. We see a lot of those on cars here at the Speedway. So it's David Cooter Jr. off to the races in the lead. Bradley Lounsbury looked like he was going to drift right up into turn 1. Got it straightened out. And Dallas Conniff still trying to keep the pressure on him. But Dallas Conniff's got a lot of Justin Tyler in his rear view mirror. As Justin Tyler now looking to challenge for 3rd. As they're coming around. As they're coming around. No lead changes yet here. No changes in position. But David Cavan starting to look to the inside of Beerman, Sean Warman in that 51 car. David Cavan driving a Chevy Malibu Max. White flag out for David Cooter Jr. And he's going to go by. It looks like he's not having any trouble whatsoever. Here comes our winner. It's going to be David Cooter Jr., followed by Bradley Lounsbury, Dallas Conniff, Justin Tyler, Sean Warman, David Cavan, Ryan Ford will round out the field. That's going to be that race. Let's go over our... Talk about our driver, our sponsors on this car here. As he's going to get out of his car here. Sponsored by Brockman Built Race Cars, Nelson's Imports, and Massive Speed Systems. Make some noise, Rockford Speedway. It's David Cooter Jr. All right. Those Pontiac Grand Prix seem to do pretty good here.